I'm watching How I Met Your Father right now, and I think her hair is so cute at the moment. I'm gonna try to recreate this tomorrow. Like, look how cute. Isn't it adorable? I love it. And I did do it, but I didn't have time to show you how I did it, so I thought I would undo it with you. So one of the first things I did was I sectioned off the front pieces that I wanted to keep and the amount of hair that I wanted on top. And there are 3 bobby pins in this hairstyle. Boop. Why does that still look kind of fun? And then I just twisted it on itself after putting it in a ponytail. So I literally put it in a ponytail and twisted and wrapped around and then bobby pinned. But before I put it in a little ponytail, I'm going to show you what I did. I added 2 little pieces of extension. Boop. And so here's the thing with the extension. Normally you put it in and down, right? Not when your hair is up. You want to put it the opposite way. So I actually put the extension in this way and then tied it up. Going back like this works against a ponytail. I did this because I wanted to keep a lot of hair down, and I have relatively thin hair. So to bring just a little bit up would have been okay, but it just wouldn't have been as big and fun. So I have these, so I'm going to use them. I actually got them off Amazon, and that's how I did it. I thought it was a very cute hairstyle. I might even do it again tomorrow. I feel like deconstructing a hairstyle was even more fun than doing the hairstyle. Let me know if you thought so too.